night, you can see it's just starting to snow. Ever so, it's never too calm in New York City. There's still an ambulance right outside, right? So far, so we'll call this the calm before the storm. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow morning. Here I am in New York City, it's a blizzard outside. I want to go play in the snow, but first, I gotta get changed. Okay, I'm ready. Reagan, do you want to go outside?
Okay, I have to get ready. Ready?
The plan is we're gonna go outside, and then we're gonna walk down to the water. I don't know why, just because Central Park's too far, I think, and it's kind of bad up there.
We'll go tomorrow when it's all done.
Okay, boss. Hey, how's it going? Reagan has the cool mittens on. Woo! Yeah, Canada! This is how we do snowstorms, it's fine. This is like barbecue weather for us.
It's true, I've been to a barbecue in Canada. And you did barbecue.
Can't see anything. Not as deep as I thought.
Look at the white dog, you can barely see him. Look at the white dog, you can barely see him.
Round two going outside on Saturday. Just want to go get some shots on 2nd Avenue. Since there shouldn't be any cars outside since there's a car ban now. So I'm just going to go see what it looks like. Well, the streets sure are closed. There are no cars on the street. I didn't check, but yep, walking in the middle of the street right now. Cool hat. Walking down the street. See? No cars whatsoever. No cars going down the street. There's a bike. The guy on a bike, he's allowed doing that. No cars though. Oh my god, this is bad. Super windy. I'm walking into the wind right now. My face is frozen, so what I want to do is go up 86. I'm gonna go. There are no cars. Oh, a lot of people. Okay, look at this guy. He's having fun. Dude, good for my camera. But it's worth it. A lot of fun. I mean, nobody can say it didn't snow in New York City today. It's a lot of snow. Look at this. Really? That's hardcore. Alright, that was fun. So now I'm going back. Been out for like half an hour. It was fun. I kind of missed the snow now that I got some snow. Kind of happy it snowed today. Let's put a camera. Is definitely buried. Alright, so the fire department's here because there's a guy on the roof over here throwing snow off the roof. We got the fire chief, some other guy. Good job, fire department.